Hey, this is Lee from Otters SEO. This is the free custom video that we promised you to show you how you can improve your online presence to bring in more customers and book more jobs. So I've noticed you don't have a website at the moment, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at one of your main competitors that I found on Google, which is this Dakdekker in Utrecht. And I'm going to look at what they've been doing and see how you could potentially do something similar so you can get the same amount of traffic. So on the website, I think they've got quite a nice layout. You can easily contact them with the bar at the top here. And looking through the website, nicely laid out and clean with some customer reviews. They have about 300, maybe 500 words of content. So the first thing around the content that I want to go through is that Google recommends that you have at least 1,500 words of content on your home page. And the reason for that is when they go out and search your website and crawl it, they are trying to index your website and extract the right amount of keywords from it. In order to do so, so they can put it in their search, and in order to do so, they need a lot of content to work with. So if you have at least 1,500 words of content, then you make their job quite a bit easier. So if you do create a website, make sure 1,500 words of content, then I think you can beat out these guys quite easily. The next thing I'm going to go over is around the Google search results. So when I put in Utrecht Dakdekkers, the first thing you see coming up is the Google ads. And this is nice prime real estate, and you pay to have your links up here. So every time you click on this link, then you pay Google a certain amount. So it does bring in traffic nice and quickly for you to your website, but you do pay for it in the long run. The second thing I want to go over is the Google map listing. So this shows you all the relevant businesses in the area. And it's quite nice because customers can quickly see the contact details and also the website for these links that I showed in the top 3. Interestingly enough, that 30 to 40% of traffic of people searching would actually be clicking on one of these 3 links. So a lot of potential traffic that you could be getting. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? Well, you want to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is really a combination of your company name, your physical address, and your contact number. If you can get these listed at various directories, you can think about like yellow pages and the like, then the more you have of that, the better your chances are of actually being in these top 3. I normally aim between 100 and 200, just so that I can guarantee my spot in these top positions. The next thing is around the organic search result. Also very important to be in the top 3 positions here. This is what Google sees as the most relevant for the search that you typed in. 29% of people will click on the first link that they see. 15% of people on the second link, and 10% of people on the third link. It's actually only less than 9% of people that will go to the second page and beyond of Google's results. So very important to be in these top 3 positions because you can get all that traffic. So how do you get in these top 3 positions? I'll show you that next. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this allows us to do is put in a website address like a competitor, and it spits out a bunch of numbers for us. These are the numbers that Google will use to help rank your website. So the first thing that we are looking at is the UR. That's the trust rating of the website. They are sitting at 41, so Google is trusting their website quite nicely. They're not doing too bad. The DR is the strength index. That's how strong the website is in Google's eyes. They're sitting at 37, so also not too bad, very close to a 1-to-1 ratio. The backlinks and referring domains are very important. The higher number of these, the higher numbers that you have here, the better probability you have to be actually in the Google search results. So all of the backlink is really a link from another website to yours. It's basically a shout out from theirs to your website. And like I said, the referring domains is the actual website pointing to you. So the higher the number, the better. But not all backlinks are created equal. The quality of the backlinks also plays an important role as well. And you'll see that they are getting about 2,500 organic traffic every month. So 2,500 people are finding their website from Google. So that's a lot of potential jobs that you could be getting if you actually create your website. That's a lot of jobs, very high traffic. The organic keywords are the keywords that Google's extracting from their website. That relates back to the content I talked about earlier. So Google is finding 556 keywords that they can use for ranking. Let's take a look at what that looks like. So I think one of the important ones is Dakdekker Utrecht that people search for. And every single month people are searching this 700 times. So because you're the top competitor, they're getting about 1/3 of this traffic every single month to their website. So a lot of potential traffic, and you can see through the list here a lot of related things to your industry. So a lot of traffic that could be coming to your website. So just to summarize, if you do create your website, make sure that your homepage is at least 1,500 words so that Google can find you easily and rank you. If you want to be in the top 3 of the organic listing, of the Google map listing rather, then make sure you increase your number of citations with the directories. And if you want to be in the top 3 positions of the organic search result, then see if you can increase your backlinks and also your referring domains to be as high as possible, but also high quality. I really, like I said in the beginning, this is a free video, and these tips and tricks you can use today. And I really do hope you go and create that website so you can get all that traffic. If you want to reach out to me to find out more information, or potentially ask me to help you execute on this and to create this for you, I'll be more than willing to help. Please reach out to me. Either way, I hope the best for you. I would really appreciate a line of feedback just to let me know if you found this useful. I'm trying to help out a bunch of businesses in the local area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Cheers.